Assalamu alaikum, welcome you all. In this video you will see this old motor. I'm going to make it smart with this Wi-Fi module. I'm going to connect this Wi-Fi module and it will be operated by a mobile app. This is the connection. This normal open and close and power. I'll show you now after connecting this. This is already connected, the module, and this connection, this one common is going to the common point and normal open is to open door, the gate, and this is power, and you can see the power is there, the LED light is working. This is power. I'm going to configure it with the app. For this you have to use EV-Link app. First you download EV-Link app and then this is EV-Link app. I will install there on the mobile. From there you go add device, this plus button there. Then you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Put your Wi-Fi password. It will be on 2.4. Button that and start searching. So already I had the Wi-Fi password, and now press next. It will start searching. You have to press this button before, so it will blink fast. Match button. Okay, now I'll click next and it will start searching. Okay, so it's fine. See, already it's fine now, and I click here. Now I connect that device to the application. Go to Wi-Fi setting and put the password there. Select that device. Okay, this is complete now almost. So it's done. I will rename the device here, and some setting I will do. The inching setting. This one is the device. I'll go setting and name here. You can give the name gate motor as you wish. See, this light is stable and this device is connected. This is how we confirm the device is ready now to use. Okay, now the setting is complete. Only one inching setting I will set there. This is on, then done. Now it can be used. I will show you how it works. Now click here and the motor start running. It's done. Once again. Okay.